Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I just got this GoPro 9 here. I've been testing it out for the last couple days, and I'll have another video posted about the review of the unit itself. But so far I've been really impressed with the underwater quality and some of the overall outdoor shots. It's been really amazing. This little tiny camera can produce so much. But hey, some of you might be wondering where I got the name Big J Productions from. Well, I'm 6'10", used to play basketball, and so I thought it'd be interesting just to give you my point of view walking down the beaches of Waikiki and what it looks like from my perspective. Anyways, hope you enjoy the video.